Hi, my name is Alan Gripton. I'm from ColDesi here. Today we're going to be talking about the ProSpangle machine. Some of you are familiar with this machine. It's been out for several years now. It's very popular. The Spangle machine comes with the ability to do up to 6 colors and multiple sizes. Everything from 1.3 millimeter spangle all the way up to your 5 millimeter even shape. Today we'll be debuting this with a new design from Tori's ProSpangle Bling's design called Pretty and Bling. Okay, in this design is 10.5 inches wide by about 8.5 inches tall. Perfect design for an adult t-shirt or tank top. Today we'll be putting it on a district tank top today, and we're going to put it on a dark black. Now the design itself has 2,841 individual spangles in there. And it'll take, we'll actually, when the machine's running, we'll actually time it out to see how many shirts we can get done in an hour. So you could see the production level this machine can perform at. The cost of materials to make this design is roughly about 98 cents worth of spangles and about 35 cents for the transfer sheet. So you're about $1.33. When we put it on the t-shirt, we'll put the numbers up later on the website about, we want to make sure that we get the numbers right on the district tank top. What this will sell for, about anywhere from $24 to $30 on a tank top. So the profitability is there, and that's the overall excitement about this machine in the marketplace because of the profitability it does provide. The speed of the machine operates at 800 spangles comfortably. That's the comfortable speed, like if you're driving in your car, 65, 75 miles an hour is your comfort. Although you can go up to 140 miles an hour on your car, some cars. On some cars you can even do faster than that. On mine, about 80. But on this machine, you could do 1,000 spangles per minute. So the speed of doing transfers and selling them wholesale, that market is actually available also with this machine. So without further ado, we're actually going to run this machine so you can actually see the speed of the machine, how it actually operates. It does automatically color change to other spangles. So after I input my design in the machine is fully automatic after that point. As you can see, the design is finished in just about 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Roughly maybe about 12 shirts an hour after, with the heat pressing time and all that. And people ask me all the time, how do you best describe what a spangle is and what the Spangle machine does? It's basically a fully automatic hole puncher is what it does. Instead of throwing away the hole punch particles, we're actually using them for our design process, okay, to make the shirt really stand out. So with this, if I was to sell on the transfer, I could produce 12 transfers an hour at about about $1.33. So my overall, what I would charge for is about $7 to $12 per transfer. Okay, so you can see it's an outstanding market if you're doing wholesale. And as we already mentioned, it would be about anywhere from $20 to $24.99 on a garment. So an overall cost in that is about $3.38 is what we estimated. So what we do now that it's finished, okay, we're going to take our white transfer sheet, lay it right over top because we want to transfer this to a shirt. And there you can see our design. All right, so now we have our design all trimmed up. I always trim the excess off, okay, to make it fit a little bit better on our shirt. We have our T-shirt here. It's a I think it's District 1 tank top here, black in color. And the first thing we're going to do is heat press this. We're also using this Fusion heat press, okay? It has automatic adjustments for temperature, time, as well as pressure, okay? So we want to iron our shirt first, make it nice and flat. So we're going to hit it for about 3 seconds. And the temperature we'll be heat pressing our transfer to is 288 degrees for about 18 seconds. So now that we're ready, our shirt is all heat pressed here. So now I'm going to peel the white backing off. And the spangles stay on there, doesn't move, so I could position my artwork. And you could pull it off the shirt and reposition. There's no worry about that. And then we can heat press right on the paper, okay? We don't need to put any covering on this. It's actually not, it's not going to melt, okay? It's actually an acrylic. So now we'll just heat press, push this all the way in. And we'll heat press for 18 seconds. All right, she's all done. So now what I want to do is I want to take the shirt and I want to place it onto a cool surface. And we want it to cool down just a little bit. We want it to not be hot because the glue is still in a liquid state. We want the glue on the back of these spangles to adhere to the fibers of the shirt. And it just takes a couple seconds. We're going to wait about 15, 20 seconds. And there we go. Right at this temperature here is where it's just cool to the touch but not cold, is I want to start peeling the transfer sheet off. And there we go. This I throw away. It's unusable anymore. And there's our design. But there we go. Within 5 minutes, you got a $20 profitable T-shirt ready to sell.